Have you ever thought about how you can make money while you sleep? Well, today, we're diving into the fascinating world of passive income, a type of income that requires minimal work, allowing you to make money without investing much time or effort. Our first idea is starting a dropshipping business. This involves selling products directly to the customer without holding any inventory. You simply act as a middleman between the supplier and the customer. Next on our list is selling digital products. This can include anything from ebooks to online courses and even digital art. With the right marketing, you can reach a global audience. Investing in the stock market comes in at number 3. While it does require some upfront knowledge, the potential returns can be substantial. Fourth on our list is becoming an affiliate marketer. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Buying rental properties is another great way to earn passive income. While it does require a significant upfront investment, the ongoing rental income can provide a steady stream of revenue. Renting out space, whether it's a room in your home or a parking spot, is another simple way to generate passive income. Platforms like Airbnb make this process easy and straightforward. Becoming a social media influencer is 7th on our list. By building a large following, you can earn money through sponsorships and collaborations. Selling online courses is another fantastic passive income idea. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? Running a print-on-demand store is our 9th idea. This allows you to sell custom designs on a variety of products without having to deal with inventory or shipping. Selling stock photos is next. If you're a keen photographer, this could be a great way to monetize your hobby. 11th on our list is becoming a pet or house sitter. There are numerous online platforms that connect sitters with clients, making it easy to start earning. Finally, creating and monetizing a blog can provide a steady stream of passive income. Whether you're writing about your travels or sharing recipes, there are numerous ways to monetize a blog. So there you have it, 12 passive income ideas that could potentially help you make money while you sleep. Remember, the key to successful passive income is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, try out a few different ideas and see what works best for you. In summary, passive income can provide financial security and freedom, allowing you to earn money without putting in much time or effort. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a single mom, or just someone looking to boost their income, these passive income ideas offer a wealth of opportunities. So why not take the plunge and start your passive income journey today?